Welcome to the Passive Income channel. Introducing Weby's mini website visiting card, the best free alternative to Linktree. We will reveal the best link in bio tool free. Exactly the one we use ourselves. Hey there! Are you tired of handing out old-fashioned paper business cards that often end up forgotten or tossed aside? Well, buckle up because I've got something truly exciting to share with you. Weby's mini website visiting card. As someone who's been blown away by all the incredible features Weby has to offer, let me tell you why it's a game changer for anyone looking to up their networking game. First off, let's talk about the convenience of digital over traditional cards. With Weby, you have your own mini website at your fingertips, complete with customizable buttons and interactive elements. Ready to showcase your competencies, services, products, social media, call to action buttons, contact details, and more? Say goodbye to boring paper cards and hello to digital masterpieces that leave a lasting impression. But wait, there's more. Weby's free version comes packed with an array of powerful tools designed to elevate your digital presence. Weby is a free link in bio tool, but it doesn't stop there, it goes much further. From project organization and splash pages to QR codes and even PayPal integration for seamless payments. Weby has everything you need to stand out in today's digital world. Some of the unique free features and benefits that Weby includes. Your own microsite free. For us, this is the best bio link tool because the free version includes the next features. Project. Splash page. Create your own mini website QR code. Short your links. Create file links. Event link. Sell products or services and receive payments with PayPal. Statistics. PWA mobile app. Always have your micro website SEO optimized. Share buttons, let people share your content. Create your Vcard. Host HTML sites. Mini store website. Products. Services. This mini web online app also allows you to receive donations and add custom domains. And here's what really blew my mind. Once you sign up for Weby, you'll gain access to an extensive tutorial library, available in 10 different languages. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, you'll have all the support you need to create your perfect mini website and take your networking to the next level. So why settle for ordinary business cards when you can have a digital masterpiece? Join the Weby community today and create your own mini website visiting card for free. Click the link in the description to get started. Let us know what you think of this wonderful free tool. Subscribe and give us a like if you liked it.